DIY Clubbers, stay tuned to see how I put my own spin on these press-on nails. So one of my leftover hobbies from all of the pandemic, staying at home, everything closed down, nothing to do, are press-on nails and nails in general. And so I wanted a way to make these press-on nails stand out a little bit more. So I took some of my various jewels, gems, everything that I had bought off Amazon and was like, let me see what I could come up with. So here I am just sizing the nails to my nail beds. You always want to make sure that the nails fit from sidewall to sidewall for the best fit, and it will be the most comfortable that way. So I did not realize I did not have my camera facing the nails, and I was definitely out of frame. So that's why you see the two thumbnails have gems on them already. Oh, guys, pay attention when you are trying to frame the things you are recording. And so what I did was start by taking a line of the nail glue and putting it across the nail. And I went from the back of the nail to the front, and this way I will be able to add my gems in a line. Now, this is really where just your creativity comes in, and you can pretty much customize them however you want. If you want to do a full rhinestone or gem nail, you definitely could, but I was just going for adding a little bit more like sparkly flair to them. So I'm just going along adding my gems to my nail, and I am trying to just make sure that they are straight. Now you can also use the little device that I had at the top of the frame to put the press-on nails on, and this will help make it a little bit better. But for me, this is just the method I chose. I just wanted to show you guys another option of something that you could use. I had it because I had purchased it when I was really into playing around with press-ons, but do what makes you happy when it comes to this project. So I also had some of the little nail strip tape, kind of like washi tape, and so I added a few pieces to a couple of the nails, my middle finger and my ring finger, and then I just continued to add the gemstones. Once I got everything on, I went ahead and did a 90-second cure under my UV light. This UV light is pretty good. It does get kind of hot on your nail beds, so I love this method. And this is the final look of the press-on nails. I really like how they came out. I think they're really cute and super unique. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, share with a friend, and turn on that bell for notifications. And join me again next Tuesday for another DIY. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right. I love you guys. Bye.